Hi guys, good afternoon. Nagpahinga muna kami kasi sobrang pagod sa labas. Ang init kaya nakaupo muna. Ang oras dito is 4 o'clock sa hapon. Ah, may kasama pala ako by parang taga Nepal guys. Si my friend, hello to the Philippines. Hi to my Philippines. Yeah, Philippine Mia, sure. See, this is Nepal. It's a good man. Our friend here. So, ganun guys. Pahinga muna. Pagkatapos nito guys, babalik naman kami sa trabaho. Lalabas na naman. After that one guy, kape na magkape. Pagkatapos guy, trabaho. And then, kalas. Uwian na. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Dudes 121, Ikaw ang Dahilan 1980 TV. Thank you guys and good afternoon.